Every time you open a standard AI chat window, you start from absolute zero. The system forgets your business model, style guide, and uploaded data. Context is lost the moment a session ends. Research becomes scattered across dozens of separate chats, forced into a cycle where you re-explain your project requirements to a tool that has already seen them. The gray box labeled "the old way" represents the blank prompt, an isolated interaction lacking previous knowledge. Conversely, the new way shows grounded memory. Persistent document nodes connect to a central core, which the AI references for every response. Shifting from isolated chats to permanent project folders allows the AI to retain your specific data and actively build on it over weeks or months. These interlocking rings represent notebooks, the structural bridge that merges the Gemini app and NotebookLM into a single ecosystem. This integration creates a bidirectional sync. A document or chat created in one app instantly populates in the other. Driving this is a 1 million token context window, allowing the system to hold hundreds of pages of source material in its active memory simultaneously. When you toggle notebook memory on, the AI evaluates your entire history within that project before it responds to a new prompt. Personalized custom instructions let you dictate how the AI behaves. You define the persona, tone, and formatting it adopts for that specific body of work. Combining persistent memory with these instructions transforms a general-purpose bot into a specialized strategist or technical assistant that stays locked in character. Instead of retraining a chatbot every morning, you are managing a specialized digital partner that learns the nuances of your project as you use it. If you don't have enough source material, the deep research feature scours the web, gathering and organizing verified data points into your project folder. This organized knowledge then flows into the AI Studio, where structured data is translated into ready-to-use media formats. From your source files, the system generates editable slide decks for PowerPoint, stylized infographics, or interactive study guides tracking your learning progress. The cinematic video feature uses Veo 3.1 to turn raw notes into fully animated, narrated explainer videos, complete with fluid transitions and custom graphics. By automating the transition from research to final media, this system operates as a full-scale production pipeline that removes the friction of content creation. The most efficient way to use this is a two-part hybrid workflow. First, use NotebookLM to build the brain of your project, uploading files, verifying data, and generating your high-level studio assets. Then, switch over to the Gemini app. Since the data is synced, you can use Gemini's interface for everyday brainstorming and writing with that fully informed, pre-trained project context. This access table shows how these tools are distributed. While basic notebook tools are rolling out to free users, the 1 million token context window and cinematic video tools are reserved for Pro and Ultra subscribers. For software developers, custom instructions can force the AI to only output ready-to-use React components based on a specific uploaded UI library. A startup founder can use the persistent memory to track competitor weaknesses, ensuring every strategic report the AI generates is grounded in months of research. Or a content creator can dump unorganized voice notes and PDFs into a folder, letting the system format them into a structured podcast script with clear intros and main talking points. Unified, persistent AI is becoming the standard for professional workflows. The requirement to start from a blank prompt every morning has been eliminated.